Makapag-harvest ulit tayo. Araw-araw tayo nag-harvest eh. Yun, ayos. Tuhanin mo natin yung ating mahiwagang blade dito. Ito yung ating pamputol dito. Makakita na naman tayo dito ng bungang talong. Ito. Itong ating talong dito, maliit lang itong yung bumunga. Pero kahit paano, okay na rin. May nakita rin ako kayo dito isang talong. Kagabi kasi ako yung dito, nag-harvest. Yun, ayos. Alhamdulillah, nakaka-harvest na naman tayo. Ngayon, may mga kwan dito yung medyo malaki-laki na yung ating dito kangkong. Kaya mag-harvest tayo ng kangkong. Ito gamit natin na yun ha. Hindi natin maabot lang yung masyado kasi malayo. Ito kasing mga kangkong kapag hindi mo yan hinarvest, yan, gumugulang. Kaya kailangan kasing mga yan hinaharvest. Yeah. Basta medyo mahaba-haba na na-harvest agad. Kasi ang kangkong kapag hindi mo hinarvest po, nagtatandaan siya. Kaya kailangan hinaharvestan ng hinaharvestan para siya laging susuloy ng ng bago. Yung technique yan sa gayaan. Saka napansin ko ang halaman, mas gusto nila yung sila laging hinaharvestan. Lalo silang tumutubo ng tumutubo. Tsaka ang kagandahan pati, kung mayroong mga halaman diyan na diyan sa ilalim na nasibol, na sisikatan sila ng ng araw. Tsaka nahanginan sila ng ayos. Pagka hindi tinanggal, di nangyayari. Bisan makita mo tunaw na. Pero pagkagarto, hinaharvestan mo siya ng hinaharvestan. Ito, marami-rami na yung ating hinaharvest. Natin dito, baka tayo ma-harvest. Ito yung ating pala pagka pwede natin mapanguhanan ng ng talbos. Inshallah. Ako naman ay nakabilad doon ng hanggang munggo. Magkasamahan ng kuwan. Yung meron pala dito na sili. Parang kuwan nyo. Ganito na yata yun. So, dami natin talbos ng ng palaya. Bisitahin natin yung ating tayo na talong. Ayos buhay ating talong na talong. Mamaya yan, madilig. Hindi kaya yung talong yan, buhay din. Tayo natin talong doon. Buti naman buhay yung ating talong. Yan ang ating gabi. Kahit pa meron na tayong gabi. Ganda kasi yung pagka may gabi ka dahil yung dahon nagugulay. Maganda, tama-tama pa mo dito. Ako meron doon na hanggang tuyo, dried na kinayod na niyog. Pwede yung magamit na kuha pang ano, panggata. Nakakaayos. Tago natin yung ating ano, yung ating blade. Na doon tago ng ating blade. Kaya ayos ang ating kuwan eh. Mamaya pag ano, makapagtanim ulit ng ano, ng sitaw. Ay, buto mo yung ating isang tanim doon ako ba? Yung buhay. Dito may tanim din ako eh. Talong dito matinan niya ang buhay. Oh, yun. Buhay din. Tingnan din natin yung parang doon. Dito yung may tanim akong tanim. Iba yata akong tanim dito. Ang tanim ko pala doon, ano? Ang palayan, tanim ko pala doon. Isang plano ko, ipakabagin doon sa ano yun doon. Ipakabagin yan doon, no? Kung ano siya, alay maka-recover yung palaya. Tapos doon na lang siya pakakabagin. Dito nga parang may pinaplano rin ako na ano eh. Magpakabag ng ampalaya roon. Hindi ko lang alam pa kung paano ang gagawin. Paano ko magpapakabag. Siguro ang gagawin ko ikuha. Tatamnan ko rin eh. Ano? Kukuha ko na yung mga ano doon. Tatamnan ko rito na kuha. Hindi kailangan makausap ko muna yung ano din eh. Yung siya nagdidilig. Baka mamaya magalit sa akin at sabihin eh. Tatamnan ko ng lahat kaya pag ano na lamang pagka nakausap ko. Para maganda muna kung pwede magpaalam sa kanya. Kaya paalam kung pwede magtanim. Ating luya oh. Tubo na rin yung ating ano, ating luya. Ito pala. Ay bukas. Kaso problema baka. Pero okay lang. Bukas yun naman ang aking plano. Yung ano, kulitis. Yung uray na babae. Yan naman ang aking harvest yung bukas. Nawala nga naman dito yung ano, yung kibal ko dati. Meron ako dito ano eh. Kibal na hinarvest. Pinatutuyo ko dito. Kaso nawala eh. Nawala. Hindi ko pinatutuyo dati eh. Wala saan kaya yun. Ito nga, ito yun na rin. Ito oh. Tuyo na. Tanim muna natin. Ito maganda natin doon na tanim itong mga doon pala. Kaya tanim natin. Naka ano tayo? Naka-apat na buto. Kaya tanim natin dito yung ano, yung isa. Tanim natin diyan ang isa. Yan. Mga dalawa pala dito, isa pa. Itong ano, itong mga gatong mga kibang. Maganda itong inilalahok sa ano, sa mga halaman. Gawaan kasing ano, yung ugat na yan, ano, ugat daw nito may nitrogen na ano, nakakatulong sa ibang mga halaman. Kaya magandang isama yan sa mga gatong. ठीक है हाँ ठीक है ठीक है. Kasi ito dito magulang na yung ano. Yung isa dito ito. Ito mo magulang-gulang na ito. Ayan magulang-gulang na. ठीक है वालेकुम सलाम wabarakatuh. Now I'm checking again plants after harvest is harvest my harvest
Why you take video?
yeah after sending my wife
Oh, I think that too much love with you, huh?
see this now good harvest
How much your bacha?
two bacha one girl
Boy.
one girl one boy this chili now little chili also have a chili there
Where chili?
chili this chili
Sorry?
this see this chili bacha still bacha and also there's chili there good my this also I have this like this now coming here before it coming here but too much rain and then
Chili, huh?
no not chili this not chili
What this one?
it's gold this gold
Good, huh? Good this one.
good this one you also eating like this eating you Papi, huh?
No eating.
No eating what you like only tomato
Onion, chili.
onion only but like this no you eating no
Yeah, like this.
also like this vegan
Bagan like all vegetable all like, but this one I don't know what this.
no this see this like this see
Yeah. Oh, what
Yeah,
this?
this is
Papaya?
not papaya see papaya is like a tree this is like climbing vine
I see maybe same papaya.
oh yeah the leaf same papaya but this is small because when coming this papaya like this very big like this but this is small your house no like this a garden
No,
house
this one I don't know. But all vegetable like my house.
like
This
this
one Ganna like.
Yeah,
my
this.
brother, my sister, small.
mm.
Baijan, give me Ganna one. Too much like.
Now this three 1 2 3 good now little big oh good yeah good Karmi लेना Karmi
लेना है?
oh लेना Karmi
ये क्या चीज का है?
vegan
बैगन है?
yeah vegan this it's
Coming बैगन है? इसको like
Yeah.
very small. Video.
bacha
See, video.
this see
Video.
only bacha after this coming big inshallah
Only one, huh?
after coming this more because too much see flower
Yeah.
too much flower inshallah will come inshallah only little after this coming too much yeah this good also good see very big this big, very big good
Washing after cooking, huh?
Filipino, I'm too much eating this. I cutting this, cutting. Too much, I take. Also hair cutting. Wait. Filipino, too much like this eating. But Indian, no eating like this, huh? No eating, huh? Hindi, yeah. Filipino, too much eating this.
What name this one?
Like this. Squash.
Wash.
What Hindi this name?
I don't know.
Maybe, you malam na yun. This. Why you are
Just now I see.
living in the city? You are not living
Have
in the...
already bought Minosi.
So maybe your place is city, huh?
Yeah.
City. Only building, too much building. No,
Only
no farming, huh?
I going India only enjoy chop.
Yeah, like this.
Like this.
Your family,
No have garden.
no.
No garden.
So your family,
Only take city.
no. Like this, huh? Your mother, where working?
Mother?
Mother, father.
Sorry, my mother is dead.
Your father. Your father.
Your father my businessman.
Business, what kind of business?
Businessman.
What business? What business?
Like people.
This like this, bakala.
Yeah.
Bakala. Big bakala or small
No,
bakala?
yes, small but alhamdulillah all family chop only one bakala take kapda
Like this.
chop bijli bill and
Oh.
Indonesia only one bakala small alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, yeah. Only this. Your brother. How many brother are you?
My brother is 7, sister 5.
Too much, Total 12.
12 years.
Who is small? You small.
Small going school. Two
Going school.
brother. One brother madrasa.
Kitna grade?
He knowledge in Malum. Molvi.
Kitna grade? Kitna
Quran
grade?
Mukammal.
This college?
Yeah,
College,
Muslim college.
Muslim college. Engineering?
No, not engineering. This Malum Salah.
Mutawa.
Tawa.
Mutawa, mashallah. It's good.
My
Good. Number
mother
what
is
this?
a dream. My mother dream is one my son Matawa.
Mutawa, yeah. Good, this. After Janat,
Yeah.
number 1.
My mother is dead 2 years already. Come. Me here
How old?
maybe 51, 52.
51. Too much young, huh? Not,
But
why gone? What problem? Why?
Fever.
Too much fever.
Fever.
Why coming fever?
Fever and blood sugar.
Blood sugar. Why too much eating this sweet?
Yeah, before.
After that, problem, too much eating sweet problem. How about you? You eating sweet?
No, only a small.
Small. Yeah, good.
Sometime, not
Mm.
every day.
Sometimes no problem.
Sometimes.
Too much problem. This good. See, my plant have tomato here, tomato.
Assalamualaikum.
Sabji. Then I have a planter still no coming. But tomato coming, small. Tomato. Good. Good. You're cooking yourself or taking mesol, your food?
No, cooking.
You're cooking. What kind of you cooking? What vegetable?
Vegetable, yeah, today bhindi.
Bindi. That's good.
Bindi, baigan, potato,
I like this seeds, bindi
Kaddu.
seeds. Bindi seeds me I like.
good bindi.
But this guy have
Too much
bindi.
power bindi.
Yeah, too much wow. But bindi too much price. Ah, Mr. Take ah. Too much power. I like seeds of bindi.
See?
Seeds. Malo mga seeds.
Ah,
Yeah, I like this. I need. Me चाहिए this beach.
beach.
I like.
Bindi?
Bindi seeds.
Okay. I give.
Where you take this?
Start.
Where you take?
Here coming this guy, Bakala.
Bakala. Hey, Bakala there.
No, there Bakala, no. This guy coming Bangladeshi people
Bangladeshi. Yeah.
selling after that.
Selling. Bangladesh.
Okay, no problem there.
This guy
Now
have.
starting cooking
See?
after give. Yeah.
See, this guy have bindi.
No, this guy Nepali people. But not.
I'm asking this guy. Maybe have less time like this.
Not too much. Maybe farmer.
No. See.
Not good. This one not good.
Need dry after
Dry.
after dry have been the seed. But this guy see
Too
number,
much time there. This one.
but see this number one this. This-
This one good. This one remove after good eating. But this one too much time. They are too much hot. Not good this one. Problem.
Yeah. Hey, like this after waiting dry.
Waiting dry.
After this planting. See iska
Bacha after remove cooking too much good. This one big, too much time, not good. Too much. Carbon this one.
See this also too much big. See? Too much big. Eggplant. Eggplant is too much. This violet eggplant. See now too much speed. See
Yeah.
this flower, small flower.
Yeah, it's small problem.
Too much speed, Speed coming. This from I give this guy seeds.
Okay.
I give seeds after he planting. This from Loreto. Good. This after this coming
Okay,
same
no
like that.
problem. This one remove after beach.
After the dry.
Remove this one.
No, not now. After become dry, waiting to dry.
This guy after see, no problem here. After not guy this looking after me.
No,
remove too
waiting
much
to dry
problem.
this, waiting.
Yeah,
This now-
dry, but this guy put this guy. This guy asked, I need this one. But this guy not looking. I see. I take this one. Allah, too much
No
problem.
good. Yeah, no good.
No good.
Everything. Maybe after I will asking this.
Allah see.
After I see this guy, I will ask him this. Give this.
Yeah.
After I will
Okay,
planting
no
them.
problem. Yeah.
I will plant. Also, this good for chai. Chai. This mix with chai. See, number one chili. Now big coming. He only. See, he only dumping here.
No good. This one.
You not eating like this.
Yeah, eating. Sag, this one name.
No, this one side.
What English this one?
This one mustard.
Mustard.
Yeah, mustard. This is good. When he came after, I will ask him to give this pudina.
Pudina.
Pudina. Also good. See, he has one also this. He's planning, he's starting planting, see?
Mustard.
Mustard, yeah. Go on. He is good planting also. See, his plant is all
All
good.
carbon mustard this way.
No, because new.
Yeah,
Maybe morning he plant. Because now, see, too much hot after coming like this. But good. See, it's too much plant them. I plant here gourd. See? This gourd now. See? Small gourd. After this coming here, like this, upside.
Yeah.
That's why I plant there. After coming here, good. This my new garden.
You?
Yeah, me. My new garden this. Before he said he will not planting here. After I tell, no problem, I will planting. He said, oh, no problem. Plant. Because here, kuta, this cat, always this sitting here. That's why he don't like here. And then he make like that. See, good that. Because cat cannot come in. Same like this. See, every time this cat is digging here, digging. See, too much digging. Cat digging. Also here, too much digging.
Yeah, onion.
Oh, this by onion. I plant onion. Good. Number one. This also here. Now coming. Inshallah after this too much. Same like that. Same like this.
Coverage is this one. Coverage.
No, I don't like this coverage. Same like this. See, this no cover.
No,
Bah.
this one coverage. No
Hmm.
problem at all.
See,
No
if this
coming,
become
dog
like this,
sitting,
No. because there is only space. Malum this all coming same like this. After cat no coming. Like this. Now it's small. See after 2 months inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah.
After coming like this, see before cat always coming here. Before.
Oh, I see this one only.
Hmm. Small. See, umbrella there small. After coming big. Good. Why? How about you? You have no planting there. You make also garden
Yeah,
there.
no problem.
After you malum you washing this patila.
Hmm.
Patila washing, but then water put there.
Who this guy? Me?
You. See patila you washing. After this water put here. See there I washing. I'm not putting there. I am all collect.
Yeah.
Put like this. After I bring here all this all
No carbon?
every day. But oil don't put oil.
Oh, only.
But your put
only
always
water, huh?
oh, only water.
Okay, me here. I already exit my complete.
Exit?
Yeah, already cleaners okay, all okay. Everything sitting here, sleeping here, no problem. Morning, after time.
Oh, you put no, you make one small garden there. Small, small only like this.
No.
No, small. After
No.
you every day.
No. I put water here, cleaner, no problem. Morning time. No.
Why you will stop pork?
Yeah, already stop. Already
Stop.
cleaners mine. All,
Stop pork ah?
yeah, all complete. Only
Ah.
waiting for settlement and ticket.
Now how many years you here working?
4 years.
4 years. But before you finish one vacation?
Yeah. But,
But-
I don't like your origin for company.
After this your exit paper sign.
No.
Approve.
Already I respect Minami class. Me
Only Minami, no need this paper.
No.
Only Minami ah.
You prepare this paper already put here.
Oh, like this. No need this ah.
No need. I don't like the origin call company. No.
Oh.
I going work China company, US company, any Korean company, good. But Arabian companies are not good.
Oh, you don't like it. But approve your now you when there is that
Already
stop
give
work?
memo. Already me sign memo. All sending. Already cleaners okay.
So how many days you are
Sitting there.
sitting here? How many
Maybe
days?
4 days.
No,
No. 4 days only a stop work.
Oh, December 4.
December.
Oh,
Maybe 8 days.
same this
Today 12 and 30.
one Filipino there. This
Medelo.
Modelo.
Sawa.
Sawa. This guy also exit.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Not like too much problem.
So will you go? You will go another company?
I going Chinese company and Korean company. They're good.
Yeah.
Too much work, no problem, but this good company. Job,
And also salary is good.
yeah, all good. Not this tension camp. Too much this year camp. No, people coming, this guy, remove, hearing.
Yeah.
This camp, I don't like.
Mm.
But China camp, it's number one.
Choha.
So,
Small choha. Small choha.
no.
He's living there. Because you know why? Because some mental garbage like this, like this. Yes. See like this.
Oh.
I taking after I put it. This after become fertilizer. That's why this choha is coming.
Not too much garbage put here, too much carbon. This one too much coming carbon by after. This one another side put garbage, no problem.
No.
Already this one okay.
But
This
you
one
must
cleaning after good.
No.
Not carbon.
You know this one like this. You know this jungle.
Yeah.
Malum in jungle, this too much like this. After good all. Malum you too much cleaning. After you need sim hamam fertilizer, hamam. After you need to. But if you put like this, no need put this. No need. Same as jungle. No,
Yeah, too
no,
much,
nobody put fertilizer there.
Too much coming. Jungle after.
Malum people always garden like cleaning. Clean. Malum eyes good. Number one. My garden number one.
Yeah.
But malum these plants no light. No light. Because you cleaning this after you take fertilizer, you go bakala, but it put fertilizer. No put fertilizer after no give fruits. Same like this pre. Malum pre. Only taking there pre. No need money. Only pre. But eyes. Garden no good. But this plant light. Too much light. Same.
No problem. All good.
See here. Too much kachara. See.
Yeah.
Oh. But see.
But Ghana, why too much down there?
Too much now because see too much malum rain too much strong.
Yeah.
Before this good, not like this bending. Yeah. Now Ghana is happy. Already plus bulok. Already bulok. See how much this mess I put.
No,
Too much.
all mess.
I put there after this now Ghana is now little coming big. Number one this. Also this too much see like this I put now see the leaves too much big.
No.
Big coming. This also this I waiting this dry this.
No.
I waiting this dry after again
What in this one?
This one beans.
Beans.
Yeah, this one waiting dry. After again planting.
Oh, here, huh?
Like this.
Give good this one beans.
Yeah,
We
good,
chop,
good.
chop.
It is only waiting this dry after planting. Planting again.
Okay, I will.
Okay, take care. Ano, meron tayong ano dito. Nakasama dito na kaibigan yung ano. Nakapagkwentuhan sa atin. Ba, meron na pala tayong makukuha dito na ano. Na sitaw, oh. Ito, oh. Isa. Pagka ganito yung mga sitaw, medyo nalaki na. Kinukuha na natin. Yan. Kasi kagandahan kasi nito, ano, na bunga ulit siya. Ngayon lang ating ginagawa dito. Yan, may dalawa tayong sitaw. Tapos nakadalawang talong. Tapos meron pa tayong talong daw na inshallah makalaki. Kaya mamaya inshallah makapagtanim pa ng ng sitaw diyan. Makapagtanim sitaw. Kasi maganda rin yung marami tayong sitaw dito. Para yung ating sitaw tuloy-tuloy na meron. Ito yung sitaw natin dito na na naman, may bukong bulaklak na siya yan ang ating yan may buko na. Kaya kailangan meron tayong ibang mga tatanim dito ulit na na sitaw. Dapat tuloy-tuloy ang ating pagtatanim ng sitaw. Itong ating kamote malapit na rin natin itong mapanalbusan, itong ating kamote. Inshallah. Yun meron na rin, tutubuhan na rin doon sa sa kabila doon. Dito yung ating isang kamote dito, nakita natin na medyo mahaba na rin. Nasaan ba yun ito ating kamote pupuntahin natin naman sa kabila roon doon para doon naman siya magpunta para may kamote rin doon. Kaya ang kagandahan niya itong kamote nagbibigay din siya ng benepisyo dun sa ibang mga sa ibang mga tanim. Kaya maganda yung yung halo-halo maganda ating tanim. Kasi pagka halo-halo na ganyan nagkakatulungan sila. Yun ang kagandahan. Yan, tago natin yung ating kutsara. Itong ating time dito sili na bula na rin yung sili. May tingnan din tayo din talong. Parang nasibon. May talong din dati ako dito sa nasa buyo. Yung isang talong natin dito yung laki. Yung pa, may pulang talong doon. May mga talong ko pala ako doon. Mailipat yung pag malaki namin siya. Tanim ulit tayo ng sitaw dito. Ito, kung makakuha tayo ng sitaw. Kuha tayo dito yung nagulala yung sitaw natin. Dito yung mga sitaw natin galing yan lang dyan sa sa basurahan. Maganda kasi yung balay ayaw nilang kumain ng ng magulang na sitaw. Kaya yun, pagka natataon na natin na nagtapos sila ng magulang na sitaw, yun napapatuyo natin. Tapos na itanim, ayos. Kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng ng buto. Kuhain natin yung ating may wagang kutsara. Huwag muna tayo mag-umpisa sa yan, dito magtanim tayo ng ano, ng sitaw. Ito. Yan. Kaya dito ipatol ito eh. Ayos, nakapagtanim tayo ng ilang sitaw doon. Dito na tayo magtanim. Meron pa tayong tanim diyan na ano, sitaw o yun. Itong may bata itong sitaw ito. Gagawa sa ating pinanda. Para yung isang sitaw na maliit ay masikatan ng araw. Tapos magtanim pa tayo dito ng isa. Dito pwede rin. Plastic. Isa natin. Yan. Tapos doon naman. Dito pala ang ating pananim ano eh. 3. Dito, tanggal tayo ng dito na pala. Yan. Yan. Nakatato tayo ng tanim dito ng sitaw. Ayos. Yan kasi maganda kasi yung ano, yung medyo marami-rami ating sitaw. Dapat tuloy-tuloy tayo sa sitaw para palagi tayong may na-harvest. Tapos yung mga garto, ayun, tago natin. Lagyan natin ng takip. Yan, ganyan o. Yan. Para di siya masyadong expose sa mga anak ko. Tapos itong karto, yan, kailangan dyan para maging fertilizer agad tinutupi-tupi. Yan. Para agad siya pag ano, madali siya lumapat sa lupa. Yan. Na may siya madalig itong ating mga bagong tanim na ano, na talong. Tamo dito ilan yung tinanim ko diyan ano, mga sitaw pero isa lang ang ano eh. Tumubo isa. Ay maganda rin yung ano eh, yung maraming tanim. Kasi katulad ng ganyan, ilan yung ating itinanim dito pero tataka, isa lang ang tumubo. Dati nga dito may mga kamatis din yun. Pero wala sila, hindi malaman kung nawala na nalusang. Kasi ganyan kasi pagka tatanda pa talaga yung tuloy-tuloy yung pagkatanim. Para pagka merong namamatay. Merong namamatay tapos meron naman bago uli na ako sisibol. Ang nangyari sa kanya, wala siyang ubos. Nakatulad ng gaya, natatambilin siya. Pwede na matambila kasi yung ito mo, matanggal. Meron na. Tapos ang kagandahan naman magiging fertilizer naman siya. Kaya walang walang sayang. Kahit na napuputol. Dito para masinaga ng yun, kailangan bawasan yung dahon itong nasa ibabaw para siya masinaga, para makalaki itong nasa ilalim yan. Kasi kapag hindi mo yan mawasan, hindi yan masisinaga ng pagka nasisinagan, makakasulo siya ng ng ayos. Dagdag yun na makakapagpa sayang pamuntit meron siyang bulaklak o kung makakatuloy yung yung bulaklak. Tatamo itong ating dito, yung ating kangkong para ba sa kanlong na dinit, kasing lagundi medyo lumaki na ng kaunti itong lagundi, lumaki na kaya nagkagayaan. Kaya yung sibong niya ng ating kangkong medyo maliit na, hindi kagaya ng dati, pero kahit paano naman importante meron tayong na harvest. Oh, what is this? No, this need dry. This not yes, matured. But this is same as baby. They're not coming this. Only this become a fertilizer, please. Need matured.
Yeah, dye.
Matured. This dried. Same like this after waiting to dry.
Yeah.
This can come in this. Yeah. But same like this this will become a fertilizer. Thank you also because this helping also. See this there is a eggplant. You can take this eggplant even that is small because that eggplant is in the cover area, so we need to take this because after that this plant will be growing fast like this if you take some pulse of that. Kaya yan nangyari, ayos ang ating mga tanim, lahat na yan napapakinabangan na. Hindi na lang pala yung yung itong ampalaya, pero itong ampalaya pwede na rin pakuhanan yung palaya. Nagutay na nga siyang bumuko, aywa kung tutuloy yung yung buko na yun, kung malalaman ito nga nakatanim lang dun sa dewater niyan. Kailangan talaga yung ugat malawak-lawak yung nagagapangan, dahil kapag kasi ang ugat kunti ang nagagapangan, hindi siya masyadong lumaki. Kaya kasi kung itong talong yan ay nasa lupa, Baka maano na yan. Malalaki na yan. Taka sobrang taas na. Talbasa maliit din nga yung na ano. Natatamnan na yan. Eh, parang ano maliliit. Tignan mo, kaliliit ang dahon. Kasi hindi ko siya ano eh. Mailipat at nagkataon naman na natamnan ko, napulang ko yung ano, yung inaling. Meron pa pala rito eh, na kuha. Kailangan pala bawasan ko itong ano, yung dahon para maano sila na initan para makalaki. Yan. Tapos yung inalis naman, ilalagay din sa ano para maging fertilizer. Yan. Ito ewan kung meron dito na ay wala. Doon kamatis eh. Dati may wala akong papaya, hindi mo makakita na saan. Nga pala, meron nga pala ako natin ano dito eh. Talong. Tingnan natin kung narito pa. Kung buhay pa yun. Kailangan pala itong ating ampalaya. Puntahin natin taon. Yan, tayo natin papuntahin taon. Tapos hanapin natin dito kung buhay pa yung talong. Wala na. Natunaw na yung ano eh. Tunaw na yung talong. Ano kasi nadaga na nitong ano. Tapos din na siya na ano, naarawan. Kaya natunaw na. Ito ano eh. Naroon na pumong papaya. Ay, dito pala hindi pwede magtanong ng papaya. Delikado, bawa. Pwede mo magtanong din ng papaya. Ang kailangan nyo lamang ay kuwan. Pag ano ay babaliin at ihahapay. Buhay ng talong yun. Pati kangkong, oh. Kaya maganda yung ano, may kangkong, oh. Kasi kagandahan kasi kapag yung kangkong kita mo parang yung kangkong sa ilalim parang maliliit siya. Kagandahan naman yan kapag nasisikatan ng araw lumalaki. Kaya kapag wala kang maani na ano, dito wala kang maani talbos ng kalabasa, yun naman kangkong maani. Kaya dabas talaga yung ganyan na ano, halo-halo mga tanong. Sa isang area, marami kang mapapagpilian na halaman. Tamo dito may ano eh, natamnan ko rin pala dito ng ano, sitaw. Yan, balihin natin kaya mga ako para mainitan yung ano. Kasi may sitaw rin pala riyan eh. Nakakita ulit ako ng ano, ng mga tinapo na yung kantin doon eh, no? Makakuha para mailagay din eh. Kasi din eh kuwan eh. Wala masyado ng ano fertilizer din eh, kaya kailangan din may ano eh, may fertilizer ano, para yung mga ano dito, yung mga kung ano ng mga kulis at nakuha eh, may makain sila, yung mga decomposer. Tamo itong kawang ito, itong tibal na ito, kahit ito yung na ano, nagulangan eh, pero ano pa rin siya eh, may bago na naman oh. Kaya yung ano, yung halaman eh, Ano, kuhaan mula na kuha kapag kasi namumunga. Kuhaan mula na kuha na. Kasi patuloy na napunga. Ito mo eh. Madami-dalim, sumulo yun. Nagsulo yan. Kasi bawat sulo na yan. May pagkakataon sa ano, bumunga. Kaya yan ang ano, ng kagandahan. Ano kaya ito? Fly away, I think that, yeah. Meron pa tayong ano diyan, yung kamastilis. Galing yan doon sa bayan. Ipalabas sa dati dito. May tutulo-tulo, kaya di ako na ano. Nakita na yun, ay natas-taas na yun. Oh. Gandi yan, no? Diba? Ito pala yan, oh. Ay, ano pa lang isa eh, kuwan. Tawag pala doon ni ano, ang tawag doon, yung kang blue ternate. Dati nga pala naalala ko, nakakuha nga pala ako ng ano, ng blue ternate doon sa kuwan, ay na eh. Nakapagtanim pala ako dito ng blue ternate. Ayan, no? Nakakapag na. Katawag yun, tayong blue ternate. Kaya akala ko naman yun ay kuwan, yung isang yun ay ano din, kamastilis. Wala blue ternate. Kaya ayos. Maganda rin yung kanyang napuntahan. Ayos, alhamdulillah. Ito yung garto, kailangan lamang ano. Diyan natin ang natural fertilizer ito. Tama-tama, kuha pala ako doon ng ano. Tama, may pagkakataon na kung may makakuha pala. Kuha nga ako doon ng ano. Lagyan natin ng konting fertilizer ito para lumago yung mga kuha. Tama. At sige, maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Nga pala hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, mag-subscribe na tayo. Salamat.